if you have the ability to get into the back screen of the touch panel, you can go through and work out exactly what panel or what type of panel you need to suit the control box style. How do we find that information out? As we go to our setup page, and then we want to go down here to the bottom where it says advanced information. And in this advanced information page, we get to see a lot of information about your MyAir, MyPlace, MyLights system. So we get to see what version of touch panel you have. So this is a 10-inch panel. You see what software version it's got on it, those sorts of things. All right, the device country, this will be in Australia. Now, in the middle section, we're going to be talking all about what the type of control box you have. So in this example, we have a CB 7.8, which is the dip switch style, because we know that now because we have this little panel in the left-hand corner here showing the sequence or the channel selection for the system that's installed. So that's what we were using to make sure we select the right channel to suit to match the control box when you're installing wall sensors. Then we're on the right hand side, we go into other things. What other things are attached to this? Is it aircon? Yes. Does it have lights? Yes. What other modules are included on this? It's got a light module, RM2, and then there's two RM2s, two light modules installed onto this, and it gives some coding around what versions those are as well. So this advanced information page is quite helpful to getting a lot of information about your system if you can access it. Now that means if you're looking to upgrade your, replace your wall sensors, you want to, if it's on a communicating style control box, i.e. a Daikin, a Panasonic or something like that, often you'll see the codes for that be on there, so that helps us to be able to support you as well. So if you're changing a panel or your wall sensors or want to upgrade, want to know what version of control box you have or what type of unit you've got, these sort of things can be established from this panel or this page, this advanced information page. So the best way to do it, when you get onto your MyPlace system, tap on the MyPlace, go to the setup page, tap on the advanced information, and there it goes. For more information, like and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see you on the next video so that we can help you even more.